we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we see the same action, positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and seeing signs of a converge once more, and we're at overbought levels with the daily RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $12.75, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $13.31. My stop loss is at $12.59. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $13.55 and my sell target is at $12.91 and the stop loss is at $13.80. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%, and a 40% chance to fall between negative 3 to negative 6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.